Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you step by step on how you can transfer USDT from your Binance account to other Binance accounts, from one Binance account to other Binance account, or from one Binance account to any TRC20 wallet. Any TRC20 wallet. It can be on Bybit, Big Teeth, or any wallet which is TRC20 wallet, USDT wallet. So if you're coming for the first time, my name is Abdul Muttalib, popularly known as Mr. Fidelity. I'm a crypto trader, Amazon KDP expert, and also a freelancer. So and my channel will focus on these three aspects: both freelancing, Amazon KDP, and crypto trading. And also I run a small community whereby I give daily signal to people who trade, and in fact one of them flip from the signal I drop, one of them flip $15 to $200 in less than 2 weeks. And I also did the same. I flipped $43 to $3,000 above in less than 2 weeks. If it is something that you also want, you can message, subscribe to this channel, and comment below this video that you are interested in joining my community. Then I will add you. It's just a token. It's just a token to join compared to what other people are charging. It is just a token to join. If you're interested, comment below this video. Make sure you subscribe and comment below this video. So let's get started. Binance account. As you all know, this is the interface of the Binance Pro to start trading future. This is how the interface looks like. So for you to transfer funds, to transfer USDT from this Binance account to other people's Binance account, or to your other Binance account, the first thing you need to do now is to just come under wallet. This is the wallet at the right side, at the bottom. So that is the wallet. Click on wallet. After clicking on wallet, then you have to click on spot. You remember, after clicking on wallet, click on spot. Okay, I've clicked on spot. So the next thing to do now is to click on. So the next thing you need to click on is click on withdraw. This is the withdraw here. Click on withdraw. Click on withdraw, and after clicking on withdraw, which coin do you want to withdraw? Is it BNB, BTC, Cheese, or ANKR? And for the purpose of this, it is USDT. Click on USDT. So this is here you will select. Do you want to send via email or phone or ID, or via crypto network? So you can also send USDT via phone number or ID. I will be showing you how you can copy your ID on Binance, but for the purpose of this, we are sending via crypto network. Just click on via crypto network. So after clicking on via crypto network, which network do you want to share to? Which network do you want to share to? Then you have to click on TRC. Hope you remember Tron TRC. Click on TRC and click on confirm. After that, you have to copy the address of your client or the address of your other Binance account or any wallet. If you are sending to client, the client will send you the TRC wallet. They will send you the TRC address to send the USDT to. I already copied it, so I just have to paste it here. Paste. I already pasted it here, and I've selected the network, which is the TRC20. Then you have to select the amount you want to send. Always remember, if you are sending 100 USDT, you have to input 101 because you will be charged $1 for any transfer more than $10, and you can't even send more less than $10. So you have to select the amount. If I'm sending 100, then I have to type 101. So 101, which means 100 USDT will go to the person, and the network fee will be $1. Or if I'm sending less than that, let's say I'm sending 20, then I have to type in 21, which means 20 USDT will go to the person and $1 will be the charges fee. The next thing to do is to click on withdraw. So after you click on withdraw, then you are done. You will be sent an OTP to confirm whether you are the one sending it or not. You will be sent an OTP to your phone number and to your email. After they send you that OTP, they send the OTP to your phone number and to your email. You have to enter both and click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, the person will receive it in less than 10 minutes. The person will receive the USDT. If this is, and that is exactly how to do that. Very simple and straightforward. If this is helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel to get more of this kind of video. If something is bothering you about Binance, or you wanted to do something without knowing how to do it, you can put it in the comments under this video, then we'll make video on that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.